today we are going to be comparing our 4 most popular whites. The very first color is Luna. This is great if you want something that is kind of subtle white, but not something that's super opaque. The next color we're going to be doing is Coconut. If you're looking for kind of a cream custard look, I highly recommend Coconut. Another popular white is Frozen. If you are painting with this color, because it is a metallic, make sure to paint straight or else your lines are going to end up wobbly. The last one we're going to do is Bam White. Bam White is a very solid white. Essentially, they all kind of give the same vibe as white. So for example, Luna was paired with a really pretty green. This white was paired with a really nudish kind of pink. This color was paired with salmon, and white, you can pair that with literally whatever you want.